Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Riddhi Chaudhary and you are watching Grid's Artwork. Friends, in this video I have explained how to blend pencil colors in a very easy method. Please watch this video till the end. Today I am going to tell you how I blend pencil colors without using any oils. First of all, I am going to tell which pencil colors do I use. These are cheap pencils and these are under rupees 200. I use Camlin triangular pencils. This is a set of 24 color pencils. I feel these are best for beginners. First, let me show you one of my recent drawings. You can see the picture on the screen. This I have made with these pencil colors only. I haven't used any oil for blending. Friends, if you want any particular video on a particular topic, please leave a comment. So now let's start with our topic, how to blend pencil colors. First step for blending is sharpen your pencil color very well. It will improve your cleanliness and speed of your drawing. Now here is the second tip for how to blend pencil. Now you need to know how to hold your pencil color. Always make sure that you don't hold your pencil like this as you hold your pen or pencil to write. Always hold it from a little bit upper from the bottom like this. Now let's start with coloring. For the first layer we need to color from one direction to another with little pressure applied on pencil color. Don't put too much pressure on it. It will not give you smooth result. Now here is the most important part of the video. Many of us start second layer in the same direction, but we need to change the direction and the angle so that it can fill up all the blank spaces. After completing second layer, start third layer of coloring from another direction and another angle and repeat this process 4 to 5 times in different directions to get perfect blending. Now you can see the result. It looks so smooth. I haven't used any solvent for blending. Now in second method I will tell you how to put dark to light tones with single pencil color. Now make the first layer with light pressure on the pencil color from one direction to another. Now for bringing tones, put more pressure where you want darker shade and reduce the pressure accordingly for lighter tones. Repeat the process 4 to 5 times in different directions for perfect result. Now you can see the result. In left upper side there are darker tones and right lower side lighter tones. Now comes to third block. In this I will tell you how to blend or mix two or more colors. Make a thin layer with the lighter color from one direction to another. To fill up blank spaces, start coloring from different direction and different angle. For mixing, start coloring with the second pencil color from one direction to another. Repeat the process 4 to 5 times in different directions and different angles to get perfect mixing and blending. Now you can see a perfect result. Friends, if you want any particular video on a particular topic, please leave a comment. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.